So, what happens with utilities and insurance and taxes in these creative deals? Like, does the buyer have to pay those? Do they change over time? What happens?
Yeah. The buyer is obligated to pay all those things. I mean, I guess if you were structured it a different way, you could, but in most cases, the buyer's going to pay all of that. The buyer's going to pay the HOA, they're going to pay insurance, they're going to pay taxes. They're living in the house. They should pay all of those things. They own the house now. They should pay all of those things. Taxes are going to change just like they change for everybody. Every year, the counties reassess them. So your taxes could go up or down. I feel like they always go up, but in the last 2 years, most places the taxes have dropped a little bit because houses peaked so high after COVID, and we're seeing a pretty big correction nationwide. And actually, the counties are showing that as well in a lot of places, not everywhere, but in a lot of places. So yes, taxes are on you, insurance on you. Utilities could change too. I mean, obviously they're going to change because that's just how it is. Use is how those pay out. So yeah, I mean, there's going to be stuff there. That's the other thing though to be super careful of is making sure you're paying attention to mortgage changes. And the
Mhm.
biggest thing is if you're paying a mortgage that already takes money into escrow for your taxes or your insurance, you want to make sure that if there's any changes on a monthly payment to you, that you update that with your servicer or you update it with your bank to make sure you're paying the correct amount. One thing I think is criminal that mortgage companies do is if I make a payment to them and they've changed the payment. So let's say they changed it $100 because my taxes went up. If I pay the original amount, they won't accept it at all. They will only accept it if it's an exact amount or more, which is so stupid, but it's what they do. So they won't accept it. You'll get a notification hopefully, but check it. I check it. I try to check ours every month. I probably don't actually check them every month, but we own 5 of these and I try to check them because last year we had someone the taxes went up. She didn't catch it. Luckily the seller caught it and called us and said, "Hey, we need to get a hold of her and make sure we get this updated." We fixed it. It was fine. But after that, I was like, "Oh crap, I need to check this more."